Hey guys, what's up? James here from Embark, and today we're going to look at the best financial apps in the UK. So there are a ton of financial apps out there, but the majority of them can be categorized as such: money saving, budgeting, banking apps, investments, or credit check. There's also a lot of blurred lines between these different apps and these categories. So you'll find a lot of money saving apps are great at budgeting, and a lot of saving apps will have a lot of investment features too. So firstly, let's take a look at the best apps for savings and investments. Plum. Plum helps you analyze your bills and invest your spare money. Plum helps you to set money aside, pay your bills, and helps you to start investing. You can use Plum to move spare money into a savings account automatically. This can be very useful and means you'll be saving regularly without having to remember to make the transfer. It also offers the ability to open a Plum ISA, which has a few different options with an easy 3-step setup. 1. Set up how much money you want to invest. 2. Choose the individual funds you'd like to invest in. And 3. Let your money grow. You can deposit or withdraw as often as you like. Total control. The individual funds vary from tech ETFs to funds heavily leaning towards bonds, so depending on the amount of risk you'd like to take, there's something for everyone. Plum is free to use, but will cost a small £1 a month with Plum Plus to invest. This is included also with Plum Pro and Plum Ultra. FREETRADE is an online commission-free trading platform. It's just won 2021 Best Online Trading Platform from the British Bank Awards. It offers fractional shares, i.e. the ability to buy part of a share instead of having to buy one whole share, which might not be something you'd want to do or could afford in some cases. For example, you're looking to just get started, you want to invest £500, you look at a share of Google or Alphabet, which is currently at $2,800, so you wouldn't be able to buy a share, but FREETRADE lets you buy £500 worth of the stock. This opens up a whole world of options for young people and those just starting out. Along with the ability to buy UK and US stocks as well as ETFs and investment trusts, there's loads of options for beginners or experienced investors. Not only this, but FREETRADE is absolutely free unless you want to pay out £9.99 a month for FREETRADE Plus, which offers you a wider range of investment opportunities, 3% interest on cash up to £4,000, and a free stocks and shares ISA, which by itself is £3 a month. Or you can sign up to their SIPP, self-invested personal pension, for £9.99 per month or £7 a month if you are a FREETRADE Plus user. Overall, FREETRADE is a great app for all types of investors in the UK. I'm definitely going to be making a full video review soon. For now, you can sign up using the code in the description, fund your account £1 and you'll receive a free share worth between £3 and £200. So yeah, free money, link below. COINBASE Pro. Lastly, if you're into or looking to get started in crypto, then I suggest using Coinbase. Coinbase was the first account I signed up to back in 2017 for my first investments in the space, and I've been happy ever since. You can buy and sell popular currencies either using Coinbase or Coinbase Pro, which you're ultimately signed up to if you make a Coinbase account. Hint, more favourable fees over there, review coming soon. You can manage your crypto from this site or from the app. Set up recurring purchases and things like that. Your crypto and any fiat cash will be secure and protected by insurance. You can earn interest by staking certain currencies and even earn some currencies by learning about them through Coinbase's education program. Sign up with the link in the description, buy or sell $100 of crypto and you'll receive $10 of Bitcoin too. More free money for those who are going to check it out anyway, just use that link in the description. Now let's take a look at the best apps for tracking debt and managing money. Emma. Emma is a free-to-use financial friend, which helps you avoid paying for overdrafts, wasting money on things you don't need, and helps you keep track of your debt. For example, it can help you cancel subscriptions you are currently not using, and it gives you an update on your finances so you can see how much money you have left until you are paid your next paycheck. You can sync all of your bank accounts on Emma, i.e. in one place, and a really helpful feature is where it syncs your budget to your payday, letting you know when to slow down on your spending or if you're on track. Money Dashboard, voted best personal finance app in the UK for 2017, 18, 2020 and 2021 by the British Bank Awards. Money Dashboard enables you to see your accounts, spending patterns and budgets in one place. You can set goals, check on your investments, and it provides a dashboard so you can see all your accounts and finances in one place. They account for all your scheduled bills and payments so you can see what's safe to spend until your next payday. Even if they're across a number of different accounts, you can see all your bills and subscriptions in one place. You can also personalize how your spending is grouped and organized, which is a favorite feature for a lot of people who love to keep things tidy and arranged in a specific way. Snoop. Free to use, Snoop gathers all of your accounts together in one place, tracks your regular bills and flags up when they're higher than usual, sometimes offering up cheaper providers that you can switch to. It also has features such as an annual insurance checker to check up on policy prices and a mobile monitor that looks out for cheaper phone deals for you. Your transactional data is used to tell Snoop where you shop, meaning it can then suggest voucher codes and cashback offers for your favourite shops or brands to make the most of your spending. Snoop is not the best for people that really like to stay private, but for those who don't mind it, it can save you money. Right, now let's take a look at the best apps for checking credit. ClearSCORE. ClearSCORE is the credit checking app that I've been using for maybe 5 or 6 years now. I haven't really needed to use it very frequently, not been taking out loans or mortgages, but I did originally sign up for purchasing my first investment property back in 2015. It gives you a free report of your credit score using Equifax Credit Bureau and shows your pre-approved personalised credit card offers, as well as showing you a range of ways you can improve your score. Credit Karma. Credit Karma is perhaps the best known service for getting free credit score reports from the Equifax and TransUnion credit bureaus. The Credit Karma app for Android and iOS provides alerts for any important changes to your credit report, and if you see any errors, you can file a dispute straight from the Credit Karma app. The app also gives an organised summary of your credit score breakdown, including the accounts factored into your score. EXPERIAN. You can just go direct to source, i.e. one of the 3 major credit bureaus providing credit reports. EXPERIAN quite sensibly has a credit score app of its own. The EXPERIAN app provides your score, which is updated every 30 days, in addition to details about credit card account activity, outstanding debt, and the effects of your credit card activity on your score. The app also gives an organised summary of your credit score breakdown, including the accounts factored into your score. The only downside being that it only checks EXPERIAN as a credit bureau, as you'd expect. And lastly, let's take a look at the best apps for online banking. STARLING. I've personally been banking with STARLING for 3.5 years now and have been thoroughly impressed with how this small powerhouse challenger bank has stepped up and how it continues to improve year on year. Proof is in the awards, as STARLING was voted Best British Bank in 2018, 19, 2020 and 2021. I originally signed up as I was about to go abroad and live in Spain for 6 months and then go on to travel Southeast Asia and Australia for 6 months, so I needed a good card that could be used abroad and didn't cost extra for things like withdrawing cash, for instance. STARLING app gives you useful spending notifications, it's great for budgeting, and it's the best card for overseas use. STARLING Bank gives real-time notifications when you use your debit card, insights into your spending, and lets you set up savings goals. You can also earn a small amount of interest. As an added bonus, there are no fees for spending or cash withdrawals abroad, making it a top pick debit card overseas. MONZO. MONZO helps you budget and also offers savings accounts with partner banks. MONZO has similar features in that you get real-time spending notifications and insights into where you're spending. It's also good for overseas use, particularly if you won't withdraw cash or will only get small amounts out. The difference comes with savings. As well as letting you set up pots, MONZO lets you move savings into an account with a partner bank, so you get decent interest, though top pick savings usually have better rates. Barclays. The only decent traditional banking app, Barclays is normally the top traditional bank in articles and on comparison sites, and for good reason. I've been with Barclays since 2009 and have been happy with the app improvements over the past few years, especially after using Nationwide for my mortgage, NatWest for an old student account turned current account, and having a play with HSBC. Barclays is by far the cleanest UI, UX and has the best features. Overall, it has more of an online challenger bank feel to it than a traditional heavyweight bank. It's more techy than the other traditional banks, with features like freezing your card in app, getting instant notifications, spending categories, viewing your card PIN, setting 24-hour card spending limits, and the ability to deposit checks. It has features in abundance. So guys, that is it from me today, just taking a look at the best financial apps in the UK in no particular order. If you did like the video, please remember to drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. We have new videos coming out every single week. I've been James from Embark, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.